Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn off Talkback in case if it is mistakenly activated in your phone Moto G04. Here in my phone Talkback is activated. So you cannot normally use your phone with one swipe. Okay, so to deactivate or turn off Talkback, you have to use two finger first to go to the settings. Okay, to navigation or to go to settings, you have to use two fingers and swipe down like this. Then only notification area will be open. If you again swipe up, then only you can go to the settings icon. Okay, I go to settings icon, just tap on it and double tap on it to open, and then to move you have to use two fingers. With one finger you cannot move. Okay, with two finger swipe up or down you can move. Okay, so here you have to go to accessibility. Click on accessibility, just tap on accessibility and double tap on it, and then click on Talkback. Then double click on it and click here, double click on it and click on stop, double click on it, and now Talkback is off, and now you can use your phone normally. So in this way you can easily turn off or deactivate Talkback in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.